Today we are replacing the shocks on my 86 Nissan 720 pickup here. Just a regular 720. So you're going to need your new shocks, obviously, a tire iron, a jack stand, a 14, a 17 mil combination wrench, and a breaker bar with 17 mil on the end. So let's hop to it. We're going to start by breaking loose all of the lug nuts, and then jack it up a little bit more. Pull out the hubcap. Now, this is something I always do. If you slide the wheel and tire under there, then it can't fall all the way down and break things, because that's bad. There. Now maybe we won't die. Maybe. Perfect. Now is a great time. Inspect your brake pads. I've got, yeah, these are plenty of life left. Yep, we're totally good. That's good, saved me a couple bucks. Now, that's annoying. Yeah, we're just gonna have to cut that. I got the old one out. As you can see, I crushed it and beat it as much as I could, but I just had to pry against the side of it, and then I could turn the nut on top, which was extremely difficult. Okay. Now we have the new one. Wait, no. Okay, whoopsies. Okay, the thing on the top gets one large washer, so that will sit on top of the A-arm like that. The bit in the middle has one big washer on the bottom and a little washer on top. Yeah, that's right. You put those on. Yeah. Just like that. Then you squish it down. And you hurry. And you stick it in. Now one of these nuts is standard, and the other one's good. We want the good one, not the standard one. That one's the 14. Just slide it on. Big washer on top. Okay, we're just gonna tighten it up here. Oop. We're gonna hold the top half of the shock with your hand. Turn it a bit more. There we go. Get that one good and snug. Alrighty, just put the tire back on. You should be good. Okay, you got the new shocks in there, and you've just about done. You've only got 2 steps left. First step is to torque those nuts on the wheels here to about 75, 80 foot-pounds. Don't go too tighter than that, or you'll bust the studs off. And then your final step is to just crush that subscribe button. Like, click that subscribe button for all your work. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you feel like you have something constructive today to say. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to check out some other ones.